everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So this is yet another video on so much off-campus hiring by three different companies through the three different openings. So in this video, I'll be discussing what are the eligible criteria, how to apply for that, and every details regarding that. So before that, getting to this video, if you like this video, then don't forget to like this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest so that you don't miss any of the opportunities that we are introducing to you. Now let's get started. Before that, one more reminder from our part that we are providing a 21 days of crash course session, which have enrollment have been started on 9th of April and it's going to end by 30th of April. So in case if you want to make your enrollment, you can reach out to our application and make it done. So this whole package is available to you at just rupees 249, which is a great package and it's completely worthy. So just 1 week more for the enrollment to make your enrollments. If you're interested, you can definitely make it to that. Aptitude, reasoning, coding, everything will be covered in this. So yes, this is not all about the courses that we offer. There are so much courses. You can reach out to our app and check out our course store. So yeah, this will definitely help you to crack the KMG and TCS examination online assessment, which is scheduled for the next month. Now let's move on to the video that we're talking about, the openings in Amazon, Junso, and so much. Okay, so let's start with Amazon. So Amazon is hiring for the software development engineer intern position. As I used to mention, intern position is no way inferior to the job position because getting an internship from such a prestigious company in the world will definitely add to your career. It will definitely be an advantage to your career. So don't miss this opportunity. If the eligible criteria is met in you, then you can definitely give it a try. Now the position is, or the location is Bangalore. So let's go for the qualification details. So here they have clearly mentioned that programming languages, I mean knowledge in this programming like Java, C, C++, C#, is very important. Any of the language at least they should know. And bachelor's and master's in computer science or engineering or related field is the qualification expectations from them. Now they should possess an extremely sound understanding of areas in the basic areas of computer science, such as algorithms, data structures, object-oriented design, database. Now, be able to write Amazon quality code in an object-oriented language, preferably in C, C++, Java in a Linux environment. Candidates must have good written and oral communication skills. Be a fast learner and have the ability to adapt quickly to a fast-paced development environment. So this is the qualifications that they are looking forward for. Now moving on to the other, which is preferred qualifications, that is strong object-oriented design and coding skills, C, C++ or Java, preferably on a Unix or Linux platforms. Knowledge of Perl or other scripting languages is a plus. Experience with distributed systems, algorithms, and relational database. Experience in optimization mathematics, ability to effectively articulate technical challenges and solutions, deal well with ambiguous, undefined problems, ability to think abstractly, previous technical internships preferred. So these are the preferred and basic qualifications that looking forward for the candidate who's applying to this. So that's all. If these is meant to you, then you can definitely apply. They have clearly mentioned, see, computer science students is firstly preferred. And if you're from other streams too, if you have the knowledge in these mentioned aspects of computer science, then you can give it a try. So now let's move on how to apply for this. So make your application at the earliest at any time of the application saturated applicants. Number of applicants is saturated. They'll be withdrawing the link. It can happen at any moment. So watch this video full and apply at the earliest. To click, you can apply, go to this apply now link. Then you have to log in with your Amazon ID. Then you will be having a form where you have to fill your personal details, your graduation details and resume, everything. And then you can submit response to this opening. Okay, so this is how we have to do for the Amazon. Now let's move on to Junso. Yeah, so they're hiring for the analyst. Location is Bengaluru. So required technical skill they're looking forward is proficiency and working knowledge of SQL, working knowledge of MS Excel, ability to handle large amount of data, ability to handle unstructured problems through data-driven decision making. So basically, they have database and analytical like skill like MSL. So I have clearly mentioned in my previous video of no employment. There is free courses for data analyst offered by IBM, Google, everything. So you can have a look at to that video. This caption will be no employment anymore, the barriers. So you can go to our video section and have a look at it. There are so much free courses available to you by so much famous companies in the world and so much great academics too. So by making use of those opportunities, you can make entries to these many job opportunities. Now, the job might be for you if you are. I mean, these are the skills they're looking for: personal skills, that is motivated and self-driven, ability to self-prioritize your work, proactive and take initiatives in project work, able to drive effective team communication through emails and workbook design, take quality responsibility. So this is the basic personal skills they're looking forward for. So they have not clearly mentioned which branch or which graduation type, which stream it belongs to. Anyone having these require technical skill, and anyone this can apply for this if you are have the knowledge in that. So to apply for this, you have to fill this form, and after that you can submit your application. So this is all about the opening in Junso. Now move on to the other, which is Epsilon. So Epsilon is hiring for the developer position, and the location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. It's a full-time job. Now moving on to the eligible criteria. Coming to the qualifications, it is basically for freshers and entry-level job seekers. 0 to 2 years of related experience in software development, bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, object-oriented concepts and problem-solving skills, knowledge in software development methodologies and lifecycle, communication and interpersonal skill, organizational and time management. So in the qualification, it is clearly mentioned that we have to work in software related, like development lifecycle, technologies, language, everything. So if you have knowledge in that, and if a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, then you can definitely give it a try. They have not specific about the education type, the main graduation type or the streams. So any stream with this knowledge can apply. Now mandatory qualifications are C#, .NET and SQL skills, working with web services or web API. Now the preferred qualification is JavaScript, AngularJS, HTML, jQuery, CSS, JSON, ASP.NET, MVC3, entity framework, knowledge of versioning tool, experience in web services or XML or multi-threading, ETLS. So they've clearly mentioned what all fields you must have knowledge to apply for this position. So if it is met, you can definitely try. Now to apply, you can click this I'm interested button. So you'll be directed to a form. So this is all about the Epsilon. That is, you have to fill your personal details here and you can submit your response. So this is how you have to apply for that. So I think it's very clear to apply how for these 3 job openings that I've introduced today. Soon after you watch this video, make your registration if you are eligible or you wish to make the entry to these companies, because we have verified the links that we are presenting before you, but there's a high chance that it can withdraw. They can withdraw the links at any time because the applicants is saturated, then they definitely will be withdrawing the link. So before they withdraw, make your registration. So that's all about for today. If you have any doubts regarding any of these contents in the video, then please do let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the videos that we are making regarding the content, then you can definitely mention in any videos comment section. We'll definitely look forward for it, and we will be providing the videos that you are looking forward for. So that's all about today. So until I come up with another video regarding the recruitment process and all that help your placement needs, thank you and have a great day. Stay safe and stay tuned to Online Study for You.